Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on the mass import of images in the pCon.catalog editor. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily import preview images for your models and materials, whether automatically generated from CAD files or manually uploaded from your hard drive. If you've already worked with mass import of titles, descriptions, or models, this tutorial is the perfect addition. To add images to your catalog, start by selecting one or more models or materials from the relevant table. For example, by using Control-click or Shift-click. Once you've made your selection, click on the Import Images button. A dialog will open with two options: Generate images from CAD files or Import images from disk. The option, Generate images from CAD files, is especially useful if you haven't prepared your own preview images. The editor will automatically create preview images from the CAD file using various perspectives. This saves you time and removes the need to manage separate image files. Our tip: use DWG files whenever possible, as they deliver the best visual results. Other formats such as 3ds or SKP also work, but the quality may vary depending on the file type. Alternatively, you can upload your own preview images from your computer. To ensure correct assignment, make sure your image files are named properly. This is essential for automatic linking to the right models or materials. The file names must exactly match the title of the corresponding object. Letter case doesn't matter. For example, if your model is named Blake Donna 639A, your image files should be named Blake Donna 639A _1.png _2.png, and so on. That means first the object name, then an underscore, followed by the image sequence number. Before uploading, you can decide where the new images should be placed. You have three options. At beginning, inserts the new images before any existing images. At end, appends the new images to the end of the current image list. Overwrite deletes all existing images and replaces them with the new ones. Which option is best for you depends on your use case. If you're adding more perspectives, choose beginning or end. If you're replacing outdated images, use overwrite. After the import, the images are automatically linked to the appropriate catalog entries and will immediately appear in the preview. The modified entries are now marked with the status draft. We recommend reviewing a few entries at random to ensure the images were correctly assigned and the result is as expected. If everything looks good, you can select all modified entries and publish them live via multi-selection. The mass import of images in the pCon.catalog editor saves valuable time, ensures consistent preview visuals, and simplifies the maintenance of large catalogs. Whether you generate the images automatically from CAD files or upload your own, for more information, check out the pCon.catalog editor Help Center. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.